Mawuok e gwenge mag Nyanduat romo kod duol ma ochung' ne pok mag omenda ne mag piny owacho mamalo kod mago mag Kaontis ewi pok mar omenda ni Kaontis ma yudore e gwenge mag Nyanduat mar piny Kenya. Governors go ywak ni osejwang'gi kod sirikal mamalo kuom thuolo malach e pok mag dongruok. Gikwedo paro mar pogo gwenge ma pacho ka omenda kaluwore kod kwan mag ji kende ma ok lach mag gwenge.
We were trying to move away from a centralized system where resources were being dictated in terms of how they're expended by the center of power. And devolution was to try and then take that center of power down. And of course, in the process, dealing with legacy issues of marginalization. I honestly believe that CRA is one of the commissions that was set up with a good intention, but was never allowed to work in the manner it ought to have. Because there's still a lot of push on CRA from the powers that be, in my view.
Resource allocation, people might feel people are marginalized, others are discriminated. But as an Equity Commission, we want to carry everybody together. Going forward, when we meet the other blocks, this is the first block we are meeting, by the way. We will meet the other blocks. Of course, we know the dynamics. We know every county has challenges. We know every region has challenges. We are aware. The good thing is this commission is both, we have politicians and we have technocrats.
Even then, the commission submits that we bear with one another. The commission commits to be fair in its consultations and undertakes to prepare a basis that shares revenue equitably among the 47 county governments.